Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MissFlips. So today we're gonna be flipping this chair into this chair. It was such an easy flip. Honestly, all it took me was 30 minutes and I was able to make $110 profit off of this guy. These chairs sell so fast. It is ridiculous. In less than 24 hours, I had a buyer come and pick it up. It was so simple. All you have to do, well, I'll just show you. All right, guys, so we have this beautiful chair that I got for $25. It's one of those that sells really well because it's vintage and it's mid-century. All you have to do is just reveal these legs that you got right here, and you got yourself a pretty good flip. So we're gonna tear the skirt off and see how much we can sell it for. So the first step of this flip is to find a way to tear this skirt off. This skirt was giving me a little bit more trouble than the last one I had worked on. There was no like break in the seams or anything, so I kind of had to get in there and just make a tear myself. Excuse my bare feet. It kind of took a while because there were so many staples, a lot more staples than I'm used to. So I had my lovely man over here bring me a mallet so I could kind of chisel the pliers in between the staples and the chair. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
High five, babe.
Yeah.
High five, babe.
And now we just take the rest of the staples out. It's so easy, guys. I cannot stress enough. Even if you're not gonna resell it, this just gives it an elevated feel and really just updates it. And the last touch, there was a couple of scuffs on the legs, so I just wanted to go in there with some stain and make sure that everything looked uniform and nice and new. And now you just give it a good clean to make sure it's ready for the buyer. So for the staging process, I really wanted to bring out that vibrant green color that was in it, so I made sure to take it outside where there was plenty of natural light. And this piece did have a couple of scuffs on there, so I wanted to make sure to highlight those and make sure the buyer knew what they were getting. And there you have it, guys. It is so simple. It is so simple. And it's literally 30 minutes of effort. 30, and you make $100 plus. It's the easiest thing. These chairs are a little hard to find, especially now that they're kind of all the rage, but when you do find them, I promise you, it is still to this day, even if the chair is not exactly, you know, what people are kind of looking for. This was kind of like a barrel style chair. Usually people are looking for those arm chairs, and this one was kind of on the smaller side. So I didn't know whether or not it would sell that well, but I listed it, and less than 24 hours later, I was able to make that profit. So highly recommend, and yeah, we'll catch you next time.